asanandzaba. Sabakhulumile ke baholi labo ukuthi nihlale nisenta nje yonke leminyaka ekugcineni lento elithandayo. Sifuna ukuveta ke sinathi bothishela ukuthi asinamali yekwengeta kulogesi. Lokwenda ukuthi singabi nemali enele kunokuthi uma sinegotiate uhulumende usiniketa abo 3%. Ninenyaro nichambana 28%. Icounters sayithatha le mali. And sekuyivama lokuthi sithethe hamula la. Bese ndinena laba baka Esera nihamba ngeTimothy nditsandzako ngani. Isibukela phansi nesingemaswati. Sifuna ke kunyathela lapho Thukhoswa asakhulume khona because nasekukhuluma idlunkulu etisebenzi kude lokungana lesingabe sisakhuluma. Sifuna ukuthi thina singuSnathi inyonyana le-affiliated to Thukhoswa. We are going to raise it to Thukhoswa and persuade Thukhoswa ukuthi akabite tonke kusebenza, abite onke amaswati, sihambe siyomisa gesi. Emandla ethu thina sithi sebenza nasemgwaqweni kuphela sekutoyitoyini. We are going to make it a point ukuthi lo gesi simisa ngemandla, hayi ngekukhuluma. Sesikhathi sokuthi sisebenze nemaswati asukume alwele lokungekwawo. Leningi belimemethele ma-profits nana sitshela ukuthi niwadle kanjani. Into sitshela namhlanje ukuthi nineconnect. Ladlali le mali benzona imemethela lesi ma-profit. Kokuqala naqosha eMorinda. Yabe into sitshela tintodela. Angeke sivume thina ukuhamba kwebhadala base-South Africa more than 200 million. Kodwa lapha sibe singabhadali sonke gesi, simbhadala sonke igesi nakangwana. Laba abangabhadali igesi bona bayibhadala nini? Angeke simbele ukusishela ukuthi ngiyogubha imalahle noma ngeke ngigubhe
ngiyacela sibe moderate because I truly respect you, sir. No, ngiyacela sinemisho, please allow me to change, please. Ngiyacela sibe moderate and shouting people's names, and I think you are, I respect you.
Thank you, sit down.
That is moderation, it's respect time.
Thank you. I heard you. Can you please sit down so that I can continue? Or else you want me to leave this house? I'm not leaving. I'm here to talk. Allow me to talk. He will be the respect. Sitina, Baba Samakasim Makosha Morin, Secretary General, says now. That one is an open secret. And TNS Thukhoswa was still aggrieved now for that. And now you are saying I must respect that.
No, sir. Tina sitele mcelile nasicala ngathi ngicela address the subject matter. That's all I'm asking.
But Maureen was working with EC.
No, it's their issue. Please take it out of the Sarah Gallery and the tariff. Please, that's all I'm asking.
Shaitan, tell you. Siyena lengekutshela ukuthi niseta ukugubha imali. Imali esakhutshwa every day la kangwane. Ayahanjiswa. Yini lebambe ukuthi ningapartnerishi neRussia. Sibuye siphehle gas ngeuranium la kangwane. NeChina lapha ingasiphehlela gas la kangwane. Who is benefiting with a contract as a South Africa? We have gas la Mozambique. Nishela ukuthi kwabanjani. Hey, medically pass neRand. Why is not saying gas la Mozambique if ever would just to run against South Africa? Emaswati so kazi le Thukhoswa akasebenzi ahola kancane. Nawa nalaba baqedza ukukhuluma lapho bathola 450 ngenyanga. And then sindawunyusa gesi. Ninyusela bani lo gesi? Nifuna kusala nikhanyisa notho. We as Thukhoswa will stop this thing. Come rain or sunshine, we will stop this thing physically. Thank you very much.